Guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make my famous soda bread. If you aren't new to my channel, then you'll know I'm literally obsessed with this homemade soda bread, and I've been getting quite a few questions on my platforms about how I make the bread, so I thought that I'd make a YouTube video in detail of how I make this bread. It's from a lady called Easy Peasy Foodie. I'll leave the blog post down below, but I've kind of adapted it a little bit, and thought that it'd be useful for me to make a YouTube video on it. So if you want to see how I make my soda bread, then carry on watching. Hello guys, so welcome to another voiceover. So for this recipe you'll need 100 grams of wholemeal flour, 75 grams of normal plain flour, 25 grams of oats, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sage, but this is optional, I just am obsessed with sage. And then in this jug I've got 130 ml of coconut milk and a half a teaspoon of lemon juice. You have to add it to this because otherwise it will activate the bicarb, and you don't want that to happen just yet. You may find that you need more liquid than this, so just add some more coconut milk or water. It really just depends on your flours and your oats. Also, don't have to use coconut milk. Traditionally soda bread is made with buttermilk, but I just found that I love the coconut. I've made this with almond milk before, soy milk, and they all taste really nice. But coconut milk is what I have in the fridge all the time, so that's just what I tend to gravitate towards. You have to cut it to stop it from like rising too much or exploding in the oven, I think. Not entirely sure, but every recipe says to do that. It's really quite simple how to make my soda bread. I hope that you do make this bread, and if you do, then don't forget to tag me in it, because I love seeing people make my soda bread and get the hype that I have. But anyway, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.